Yeah, good morning everyone. Toi whatalofa ma toi o folo fatu pa anga o le I te ulau o le Mea-Uli Samoa le nei tai au o le vi inga ma le whaftai ma le whaanetanga I whaafo I ta pa au sili o lona alofa ma lona anga lei leo mwhaim tatu toi au lia mai le nei tai au ia pen vai atuan po sa whale leo. I lost my voice over the past few days. Ya au le whaftai e whaafo I tama ona o leo wa toi au lia mai le nei tai au ia o tātou ala wha mai fo I whanunga lelei o leo fo o toi iai lau leo. So without further ado, I would like to get into our discussion that we were supposed to have last night, which was the Ifoga. But before I get to that, I want to thank each and every one of you for your support. I want to thank each and every one of you for all the encouragement that you've been giving. If you're wondering, lea o fa PE JPE leang wo ka kele melo le su wa ka kele melo le su le o kanga ka fo yanga wa fia pe o lo stamp le la kongi mai se kupe la ngawa I lungo lo live le la leang le kering kupe me usamo le la ka vai la stamp se o se kemi lava sa kupe ya o nga la lo stamp ma kwa sa kupe leang ko ke ka kele su sole o ka kele su o kanga ka su o bango su ya o mea ngau kupu mea ngau whai le ka vai ka ko ingolea ke ia wa su e si ia le beusamo ya ele o la fa so ke mi ko ngi kanga. So this morning let's get right into it. Ifoga is one Samoan way of portraying meekness, humbleness po le ata leo le loto maulalo. But it's not the only way. Mankua yele ngole ave tato I tamaita. If you don't know, ole upuleo le tausala. Ole upuleo le tausala. It was a name given to the females because ola tau taua sala yo ainga the men in the family tausala la yele tamaita. So that's where the name tausala came about. So that's just one. But Ifoga, let's get right into Ifoga. Ifoga is the public act of humiliation po le whaalumaina and in Samoan culturally ole luma or embarrassment or humiliation is something we refrain from because of family name. So pen fayatu ole ala leo loto maulalo pen to mau mai ele fayatu ole maualalo ole upuele ole maualalo ole maulalo so loto maulalo. Many times I've heard people use the word maualalo ya ele sengangana Samoa. It's not a Samoan language. Also, I want to because some people are like were saying you know let me explain to you why it affects me so much. Samoan, the ngana Samoa is a living language. Ole ngana eola pea lava pea pela no fayatu le show post ole upule fa nga fa pertani ole hate fa Samoa ele ole ita leang ole ita pe fa tu sa ole annoy you annoy me fa ika o mala ke ole hate ole hate o fa tu suisi nei le upule ole ino pipilo because it's to have a passionate anger or dislike against someone. So ava tu sa ole hate ole ino pipilo ama fo la fa nga ino lupu it's really deep. Ino pipilo is deeper than hita. So that's why you know, like I said, Samoan language is a living language. Its words are cut deep because eola lengangana. It's a language that is living. So Ifoga o le nganu o Samoa pe ona fai atu se temi o sola e fa vai le alofa e au fia fo I le tausinga o le va fealua e ai maleava fata mutual respect ava fata alofa love maleva fealua is the respect towards your fellow man or taking care of the gap between you and your fellow man. So Ifoga, what is the purpose for the Ifoga? Le Ifoga is for heinous crimes. Po ni salatu nga. Yelal fasio tangata, murder. Because when you murder someone, then their family is affected by it. So what takes place? Usually, o lea li'i o ainga, lea li'i o ainga, lea wa ingo foi. Wala tau whaia ia le tūlanga o le salatu ngā lea. Pe o le vasto tangata. O le li'i la ainga, e avea le Ifoga. O le Ifoga la. So in the Ifoga, the ali'i rises early in the morning, before daybreak, or around dawn, and he goes with some family members or whoever is directly related to the offender. Not necessarily the offender goes and completes the act, but le'ali'i e loai o lea mana ia le ainga al tangata lea sa whaia le mese se ia le ainga lea ua tupu ia nei whale tonu. And so he goes early in the morning. Kusa lava po le pe vaoa lumo whale ainga, if it's grassy and or pae maa or pae ango foi. Pae le amu coral. Sometimes the coral is sharp. E sao whai. E sao whai ia le li'i le nei ma tamawhai lea e whaali atu le anganga loto maulalo. I le whapulou lea. Ia, si whataita. Si whataita. Ia. Ona whapulou lea i le ie. Whapulou le ie. Ma le pisa. Whapulou la ia whapea ma le pisa. So, you are covered in the fine mat, and you don't say anything. You don't even let the family know you're there. You do it because you know so you're not trying to get their attention. You're just trying to be there. And so by the time they wake up, they realize, oh, okay. So it's asking for forgiveness, and it's also a way of going to the offended as an offender and humbling yourself. So why is it considered an act of public humiliation? Leanga, if it is up to the family leo el watuai, how they decide to accept your Ifoga, because one of many things can happen. Either they can come and take you in once they realize that you're there, meaning they've accepted your forgiveness, don't worry about it, or they can have you sit out there for however long they want. Or nisi for other times they can come by, they can spit on you, they can I've also heard of and people come and sasa lebao with a pelu your feet. You're coming with your Ifoga, and they're cutting the grass right at your feet where they can nearly hit you. But the thing is, they can actually kill you. That's the whole purpose of this Ifoga, saying, listen, somebody from my family's taken someone from your family's life, so here is the life of our family. So pule o taupe totio mai tangata valeina, tangata leo nofu atu. Pe tote tamawhai fo ilea talia le whaato senga lea ua aluatu. Ia, ayaila ia nisi manatu fo ia le vatau le Ifoga. Amai i tātou komeni lafu manatu mai. Ia, ona mawaila i o se bāmla maanga tele a tātou. Pēra vai atu. E mānaia lafu manatu e tau te whaaso ai. A o le lau vale. Ia, man, I'm sorry. A se mea. Ele mawai se soangi ngai uso ngai ko whaafinge ia ua mai lunga fie mamlama that want to understand our culture and our language. They're not going to really get anything when we just when we're arguing with each other, when we're swearing at each other. It doesn't show who we are as a people. As and Michelle Kako Samoa. I am black. I am black, but Benvayatu. Ele iola usiolanga o se Mea-Uli. And so mela yetam fai fa soatu. Mo isi for other people like myself who didn't myself, I got the opportunity to grow up in Samoa and learn the culture. Betai. Some people out here did not get that opportunity, but I've also noticed that there are some people who grew up in Samoa that don't really understand a lot of the things in the Samoan culture. Not only that, the Samoan language. Ngole yalako, like for example, that word, ngole, N-O-L-E, nole. Telo tangatele mamlama yai, telo tangatele do se upa Samoa. But nole absent-minded, it's not in their mind. Nole. Pela mafuangana, that's one of the reasons why this page was created. To educate, not only, I mean, if you're smart and man, you know everything about the Samoan culture and the Samoan language, man, good on you. But I'm trying to help those who don't have that understanding. And so that's what the intent of this page is to reach those who don't understand their history and their culture, who have been told by our people that they aren't good enough because they don't know our language and our culture. This platform is for you. Okay? This is for you because I believe that whether or not you know the language or the culture, you are Samoan. And I, in my best ability, will help you understand what you don't understand. And for the naysayers, listen, you don't have to follow my page. You don't. You can. Facebook gives you the opportunity to do it yourself. But I've noticed throughout time that we have a lot of funny Samoans out there. We have a lot of comedians out there. But no one is targeting this area where our people need it most, where the language, which is their sense of identity, they don't have the opportunity to learn it. So that's my determination, to help those who didn't have the opportunity to learn their language or learn their culture, to come here and to somewhat get ideas on or pick things that they've never understood and learn them. So this is for those who have been neglected by their people, by our people, and also for those who are willing to learn more. Le utote pole le utote vesi autote vesi ai manutele ina le ne yasu mto fufuanga awol tot masau sisi ileanga e malo ata to powila te ubo masau sisi ai se powila se fai ai ya mangwila so fu ia manuia fa pe wa ia se tala le beudi sa mo watu le longo mare lo fa fonganga ia la foi nu le ai nga fa pe foi wa ia se fati wasala po se pati wasas ia mangalo malu awi fale lo finangalo fale le tua ia tato toe talnoai ma tato toe fasoai ile il mataupu ole mafuanga leo le ifonga le tae ona ole peno vai atu ia inisi o li malu li matai malu wala to faia ia le ifonga anga I tangata ia ua anga le anga ina nisi e vai atu fo inisi o protest woto tuli na leo ia o se ala le ua alia mai la to lo to maulalo ia te tato to fa o system soifua ma ia manguia ia Samoa ma o Kangaka ia tato to fta ia soifua